Hi guys, welcome to my video. I just wanted to tell you guys that last week I've been scrolling through my Instagram and I came across this profile of Joshua Vidas. Well, apparently he's an artist from the US, and the thing that caught my attention was this one. Well, what he did was just making an outline of the edges of these white Air Force Ones. And this is what he had to say.
I'm working with fucking black and white. So if I fuck up a line, to me the whole thing's fucked.
I think this looks interesting to try. Well, first of all, I need to look for a shoe that I could sacrifice. And secondly, it needs to be of plain color. Okay, this one looks like a suitable candidate. Or maybe not. The material is not suitable, I think. I think I need to look for a pair that's made of leather or maybe fox leather. So I think this should be okay. This one is Nike by you. Actually, since this thing is already customized by me, so I think I should just continue to make it my own style. Yep, this looks okay, although it's not white. Well, since I'm not an artist, so I'm not that confident of doing it directly onto these shoes. As a precaution, I think we need to do something first. So as a safety measure, I would suggest you guys to do this first. Try to get an angle that shows the overall image of the shoe. And then what I'm going to do here is just edit it through the pictures. So by doing this, I could always decide whether the design will be okay or not. I mean, like, if I don't like it, I could just delete it or maybe change to something else. Well, that's about it. Sorry guys for the horrible sketching. And from this image I will decide which lines I will transfer into the actual shoe and which one I will omit. Thank you guys for sticking around. I'm going to do a part 2 video of where I'm doing the sketching on the actual shoe. Thanks for watching.